ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
Bam! Hey kids, happy Father's Day. Woof! It is like 95 freaking degrees out, so I'm going to try to make this reasonably quick. I'm going to start some VTX tests, okay? Video transmitter tests. And I'm going to do whenever the mood strikes me, wherever the equipment's on the bench. I got the wonderful RF V2 meter from Immersion RC that I bought the other day. We have her set on 5.8 megahertz right there. Nothing going on. So what we're going to do, we're going to test my very favorite VTX. Now this is the VTX that I use for quads, not drones, okay? Drones, I use a higher power, but I use the VTX03 or 02, doesn't matter, for my micros and my normal quads, my freestyle quads. I love that transmitter. It's a 25, what is it, 25, 100, 200 switchable VTX. And I love them. They work great, but I am curious to see, and even if this says they suck, I don't care. I'm still going to use them because I have great luck with them. So, bam, there we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our bench buddy, which you guys all thought I was nuts when I built this crazy thing, but we're going to hook up a brand new VTX 03 to this thing. 5 volts, which is on this side here, and then we're going to test. We're going to leave it stock antenna, whole 9 yards. All right, so let me get this hooked up. Bam, be right back. Bam, so here we go. I zoomed in a little bit, and we're going to go, we're on A1, which is fine, 5.8, and we are at 25 milliwatts. So let's see what we get. See if I can get this shot here a little bit better. Take it with a grain of salt, because we're using a rubber ducky. We're at about, yeah, pretty good. 27, 28, 25. So I think we can call that really good. Damn, this bitch is hot. It's just because it's so friggin' hot out here. It's nasty out. So this one should be, you know, I don't even know. I think it's 100. I always get this goofed up. No, this is supposed to be 50 milliwatts, okay? Let's see what we get. Hopefully you guys can see this. 40, 53, 54, 50, and take it with a grain of salt. We're using a rubber ducky, like I said. 60, I'm gonna say we're at about 55. So this thing's overpowering, not underpowering. All right, there, it should be 200 milliwatt. Hang on. Get the devil here. I'm going to say about 215. Yeah. I had it better before. Where's it at? Where's it at? 2.1. So this 2.1. So we're doing good. This is a great VTX, and that is with a dipole antenna. Bam. So, and you guys see a lot of my builds. I use the VTX02 and the VTX03 exclusively for quads, and I never, ever, ever have a problem. They're freaking great. I love them. I will continue to use them forever, probably until they stop making them. I buy them in bulk, actually. So anyway, there you go. Truth be told on this guy. Now, those are kind of relative measurements. So those of you that are accurists, you'd be like, JJ, you know, it's blah, 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 it's flipping all over the place. Yeah, take it with a grain of salt. Excuse me, take it with a grain of salt. It's like a $10 fucking VTX, but it reads pretty true according to this. Bam. So later on, at some point, I'm going to do a test, and I'm not going to do it in this video, but we're going to do it with the pigtail added on with a far view, but it should be about the same. You might have a little bit of loss just because of the extra pigtail length and things like that, but that's how I use them 95% of the time. Unless it's on a Mocha JJ or a micro, you know, where I'm just using the stock antenna, I have no issues with VTX03, so, or 2. The 2 is the same thing, you just can't switch the channels. So at this point, bam, thumbs up, and it should be good. So happy Father's Day to all of you Father's Day guys, or guys that are fathers, sorry. A lot of road twisters today. And carry on. Our kids are our future. Take care, guys. Bye.